Water covers 3/3 of our planet. The seas and the oceans contain as much as 97% of all water, whereas the fresh water in glaciers, ice caps, lakes, rivers, wetlands and groundwaters amounts to 3% only. Underground waters, as a source of drinking water, correspond to less than 1% of all water on Earth. Water resources are limited and distributed irregularly. A mere 1% of water on Earth is drinkable. Slovenia is among those European countries that are richest in water resources. There are sufficient groundwater and underground water springs for the needs of the whole of Slovenia. 97% of consumers are provided with water from these resources, whereas the remaining 3% receive their water from reservoirs of river surface waters. In the regions where tap water is appropriate for drinking, the demand for bottled water is constantly on the increase, which causes unnecessary waste and excessive energy consumption. By flushing the toilet, 10 liters of clean drinking water are turned into wastewater in an instant. The United Nations have set the minimum quantity of drinking water needed for basic needs of an average person at 20 liters per capita per day. However, the daily water consumption per person in Slovenia runs considerably higher. That is, 150 liters on average, and as many as 250 to 300 liters in bigger urban centers. By using rainwater instead of drinking water for flushing the toilets, doing the laundry, cleaning and watering the garden, each individual could save 45 liters of drinking water per day. In towns and cities, water flows from vast asphalt surfaces and buildings into the sewage system and directly into rivers, rather than trickling into the ground and filling up the groundwater stocks. This jeopardizes the regeneration of groundwater, which is a very slow process. Households pollute the environment with their excessive and superfluous use of clean drinking water and with their sewage, resulting from using too many washing and cleaning agents. By installing a water recycling system and by using water moderately, a 4-person household can annually save up to 1/2 of drinking water. Let us not allow our water resources to dry up.